Good morning, dear beautiful people. Actually, it's good afternoon because it's 12:28 right now. So I don't know why I'm saying good morning, y'all. It is hot as hell in Houston. Oh Lord Jesus Christ, it is hot. Good afternoon or good morning, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Amy, and if this is your first time watching, welcome over. Okay, if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. Okay, so right now I'm at Home Depot because you guys know that I am actually in the works of doing my backyard, and I have great news, you guys. I have actually been approved by my HOA to go ahead and start construction on my backyard. So I'm going to be doing my backyard. But I'm not going to be doing it myself. Okay, I have to hire some people this time around, but I just hired people to just do the concrete and stuff, and everything else is going to be done by more. But I do have to get a gazebo, so I came to Home Depot to actually shop for a gazebo. This is not going to be the backyard makeover video, but I need to actually drive an hour away to pick up a mirror that I bought. So there's a mirror that I've been wanting, but a mirror is $1,000, you guys. I ain't got that kind of money. Okay, so I went to this HomeGoods the other day, and it is in Baybrook area, because I do walk at Baybrook sometimes too, which is like an hour 15 minutes away probably, with no traffic. So I went there and I saw this mirror at their HomeGoods, but it's not the same exact mirror, but it's the same exact style, very similar, almost the same exact style, but it was not gold, it was like a wood. And this mirror that I've been wanting is actually in a gold color. I'll put a picture of the mirror right over here so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about, the one that I actually want. Okay, so I'm actually going to pick up that mirror, so I have to come to HomeGoods and see if I can rent a truck because it didn't fit my car, so I can go pick it up and then DIY the mirror to fit my needs. So I'm going to show you guys everything that we're going to be doing with this mirror, because honey, we're trying to go cheap over here. Okay, we ain't got time and we got money. Okay, so yeah, so let me just get into Home Depot right now and see if I can rent a truck. So stick around, keep on watching. Let's get this vlog rolling. Let's get this day started. We don't know what the day is going to hold, but we know it's going to be a great day. Okay, so it's hot, you guys. Okay, that's why I have my glasses on, I have my sunscreen on, and it's popping. Do you guys want to see the vehicle I rented? It's crazy. Oh my gosh, so I'm gonna try and drive this vehicle by myself. I'm kind of nervous, but I think I'm gonna be okay. Okay, there goes the vehicle right there, guys. Okay, so wish me luck. Let's see how this goes. Okay. I don't even know how to operate this car. Where is it? Okay, right here. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is so scary. This is a big ass car. Oh. So this is the only car they had left, so I didn't have a choice but to take this car, you guys. This car is so big. It's not a car actually, it's a truck. Okay, but yeah, wish me luck. I'm locked. Exactly. Oh my gosh, I'm scared as hell. God is with me, okay? He's gonna protect me. I believe that. Hi guys, so welcome back. Today is actually the next day from when you guys saw me, because yesterday was brutal, you guys. Oh my gosh, like I couldn't take it anymore. I had to just drop my camera and just keep it moving and just get to what I had to do. So we're about to DIY this mirror. So this is the mirror I actually got from HomeGoods. This one was $200, so I drove and go pick it up. I showed you guys yesterday when I went to pick it up. So right now we're about to DIY that, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna have to probably eat first and then before I get that started. So you guys sit down, relax, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we're going to do this DIY project together. And yeah, well, I'll see you guys after I finish eating. Hi guys. Okay, so before we start, so I have my little setup here. This is where I'm gonna actually work, okay? But I wanted to show you guys a quick update on what my front yard is looking like. If you have not watched that video, make sure you go ahead and check it. I'll link it somewhere right here. And yeah, this is what my garden looks like right now. The flowers are doing very well. They're blooming nicely. I don't know if you guys can actually see because there is not that much sunlight, okay, outside, but yeah, they're doing very well. The only thing though is that these ones around the tree, they all died. I don't know. I can't seem to get them to stay alive, but I don't even care at this point. The lights are around it, so it looks nice at night. And yeah, everything is blooming. They're growing very nice. Look at that. Everything just looks great right now. So we're just still waiting for those ones to just kind of expand and grow a little bit further. But yeah, everything looking great so far. I bought all these things like paint brushes. I picked select a color from that tab. That's what I wanted, but I don't think the color actually is the right one. But I'll list all the things I'm using in the description bar for you guys. I also got a sand thingy to kind of sand the wood, but the guy didn't tell me that I needed something to paste it on, so I'm still gonna just use it like that, whatever. And then I have a spray paint in black and gold, and then I also picked up this color. Okay, it's supposed to actually look like this bronze color, but I hope it actually is the right one, but we'll find out. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and sand this, okay? So now I have a blue tape. This tape, I also got it from Home Depot, yeah? So if you're trying to actually create something like this, you can probably check at your local thrift stores. You might find something similar. This one, like I said, is from HomeGoods. You can also check your local HomeGoods, or probably something like Facebook Market. You will probably be able to have a design similar to this, and you just go ahead and DIY it yourself. So let's go ahead and tape around the mirror, and then cover the mirror itself. So that way we'll be able to not put paint on the mirror itself. You dig? Okay? All right. Alright y'all, so I just covered the mirror with a trash bag right now. I just tape it so that way none of the paint will get on it. So what I'm gonna do before I actually paint the whole thing, I'm actually gonna test it out on like a little corner and see what's going on first, and hopefully everything goes well. So cross our fingers. Okay, so we're gonna try probably this paint first. Okay, as you can see, this gold looks like it's very light, so I'm probably not gonna use that. So let's try this. So I also bought this hammered gold color, and I also got this bright shiny gold finish. Okay, let's test all of them out and see which one works best. Ooh, you see, I like this one better. So it actually looks like I like this one better, but I only got one can. So yeah, let's do this. Let's try it. Alright guys, it looks like actually the one can is gonna work out. So I wouldn't need to go to the store to buy another can. So we're gonna let this air dry for a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna have to take the black and like kind of put it on it to see if I can get more of that bronzy feel, because this is not giving me the bronzy feel. This is giving me more like a yellow gold kind of feel. So I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm taking a little random break whilst we wait for that to dry up. This is hot. This is a way to my heart. Watermelon. So good. This is the bowl I have here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and see what the black is gonna look like mixed with it, okay? The black doesn't look bad, but maybe I should have tested with the brown. Maybe the dark brown would have actually been better. Okay, so the black is not bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a brown one, like brown spray paint, so that way we can dust it on this, and hopefully that will actually give it that more bronzy feel to it, because I'm yet to have what I want. Okay, so we're gonna leave this here. We're gonna go to the stove. Just got back from the store, so I picked up this satin lighter brown color. Okay, and I also picked up this one, which is the hammered copper, and the brand is Kilon. Okay. Okay, not so bad. And then this one is the hammered copper. This is the brown. I kind of like that one because it's not so dark. Let's test it on it. Oh. Okay, now let's test this brown. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one is the copper, the hammered copper, and this is the brown. I actually do like the brown a little better. It gives it more of like a brassy feel. So I'm not gonna spray this one. I'm not gonna spray the brown directly on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably just gonna like kind of sparsely just like spray it there, just to kind of give it that like rustic feel. Perfect. You see? Okay. Good. Oh my god. Okay. So can you see how this is not so gold anymore, like that yellow gold? So we're just gonna sparse this out like that and see what we get, okay? And if we need to add a bit more of the gold, then we'll just go back over it with more of the gold. So the key is don't spray directly on the surface. You kind of want to go like a little further, probably like arm's length like this, and then just spray it on, okay? Okay, so now that the paint has already kind of dried, it's been probably like 45 minutes because I can't wait. I'm like, I just want to get out of here right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take more of that brown spray paint. Let me show you guys. I'll spray a little bit of that brown on this brush, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and just detail the inside of these, okay, just to give it a bit more dimension. Now let's just go ahead and peel off all the edgings and the plastic bag and see what we get, okay? Okay, and look guys, the mirror is done now. So we just have to move it inside and then clean it and make it look nice. My garage is a hot mess, so just excuse all this mess right here. So I still have the price tag on the mirror. So what I'm gonna do now is take my blow dryer and just go ahead and blow dry that just to kind of unstick it. Oh. Look at that, everything comes off, and now we just have to like just clean the mirror. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you look very closely, you will see like very tiny little specks of I don't know if this is paint or what it is that cannot come off. If you guys know what I can actually use to take this off, please let me know, because I tried using the alcohol on it and it's not coming off. I tried using the nail polish remover, but it's not coming off. The paint did come off with the nail polish remover though, so just FYI. But these ones, these little dots right here, them babies not coming off, okay? So if you guys know anything that I can actually use to take these off, let me know. But I'm yet to use the Windex to clean it anyway, so we're gonna try that also, okay? tried my best, but them bad boys don't want to come off at all. So please, like I said, if you guys know anything that I can use to just get these little spots off, like just let me know. It's not as noticeable at all, but it drives me nuts. Like just knowing myself, like this is just gonna drive me crazy. So yeah, so just let me know if you guys know of anything. Okay guys, and here is the mirror done. It looks really good. I am 6 foot tall, you guys, and the mirror is actually way taller than me, as you can see. Like I'm right here, so I'm 6 foot tall, and this is what the mirror looks like. It actually fits perfectly on this little corner space right here, and it just faces directly to the kitchen. So this is what I have it right now. My house is not done, so if I move it around, you guys would see it. I'm gonna do more DIYs and show you guys everything that we were doing towards this house. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so that way you don't miss any of our DIY projects and our house to home makeover projects also. I am really happy with the results, and as you can tell, the reason why I was adding the browns right here is just to give it a bit more detail also. The gold and the brown just is like perfect. It's literally perfect, you guys. The mixture of the two just gave me exactly what I needed. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll leave all the products that I use to achieve this golden bronzy look in the description bar for you guys. Super affordable, super easy. This was a great one. A lot of you guys also requested that I should have inserted a video of what my front yard looks like at night with all the lights turned on. Okay you guys, and this is what the front area of my house looks like at night. I hope you guys love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think, but also please don't also forget to let me know what you guys think I should use to clean this mirror up, especially those little dots. I cleaned it up with Windex, I use alcohol, and I also use a nail polish remover, but those little tiny specks are not just coming off, and I just don't know why, and I don't want to scrape it to scratch my mirror. So if you guys have any idea of something I can actually use to clean that up, please don't hesitate, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. As always, I just want to say thank you all so much for watching. Okay, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down in the comment section below, and don't also forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't also forget to turn on your post notification bell so you guys get notified every single time I upload a new video. And as always, I just want to say thank you all. I love you for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Mwah.